Good morning everyone, my name is Arslan and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So today we'll be starting the exercise 10.2 and we'll be dealing with all the questions and understanding how to solve them. So starting with question number 1, find the areas of the following figures by counting the square. So we'll just count the square and mention what is the area of each of the figures. So starting with part A, we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So area of the figure A is can be written as area covered by squares in totality plus area covered by squares that are half and area covered by squares that are shaded partially. So partially are not present, half is also not present. Only totalities are present. Therefore, 9 into 1 will be the answer. So 9 square units is the answer. Coming to part B. Part B is again no half, no partial. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So area of part B will be area in totality plus 0 plus 0. That will be 5 into 1, that is 5 square units. Coming to part C. So part C says that it is a parallelogram. So we will write 1 and 2 and this will be area of part C is equal to area of totality plus area covered by half plus area covered by partial. So partial is 0. So area in totality is 2 into 1 plus half of them are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will be 4 into 0.5 or 1 upon 2. That will give you the answer. 2 plus 4 into 1 upon 2 will be 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 is the answer. 4 square units is the answer. Coming to part D, and that is again no half, no partials. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So area of part D will be 8 into 1 as that is 8 square units. Coming to part E, again you just have to count the squares and multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So area of part E will be 10 into 1 is equal to 10 square units. So this is the method of solving such type of questions. We will understand more by coming to other parts such as part F, G, H and I. Part F, how do we solve this? We again take part area of F is equal to area of totality and area of half plus area of partial. So partial will not be present, is not present. So area of totality is 1 and 2. So it will be 2 into 1 plus half will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 into 0.5 which will again give us the answer of 4 square units. Coming to part G says 1, 2, 3 and 4. Area of G figure will be 4 into 1 plus 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 into 0.5, that is 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 square units. Coming to part H, and that will be no half, no partials, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So answer will be 5 square units. And part I, again no partial, no half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And that will be 9 square units. Coming to the next part, JKL, and that the L part will be a little bit difficult because this is a non-standard shape. So still we will try. So part J is equal to 1, 2 and that is 2 plus, well 2 into 1 plus and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will be 4 into 0.5 and that is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 square units. Coming to part K, and that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 is equal to, area is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1 and 2, that will be 2 into 0.5, that will be 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 square units. After that, coming to part L, that will be total squares will be 1 and 2. Any squares, so this will start with 2 into 1 plus any squares that are almost covered like 90%. Okay, so 1 and this will be 2 and 3 and okay, so 3 are covered like 90%. Okay, almost 90% they are covered, so we will say 0.9. After that, what we will see other squares like which are like negligibly covered, so that is 1 and then that is 2, then that is over here 3, then that is okay. So 3 are like almost like negligibly covered, so we'll multiply by 0.05. After that, what we'll do, we will look for those which are covered neither mostly or not to the least, like in between. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, uh, 5 and 6. I think that I'm not missing anyone. So okay, 6. So we will multiply 6 into 0.5, let's say, because it will lead to average. Some are covered more, some are covered less. So after that, we will start adding them up. So 2 plus 3 into 0.9 will give us 2.7 plus 3 into 0.05 will give us 0.15. After that, 6 plus 0.5 will give us 3. So after adding them up, we will get 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7, 7.7, 7.85. So this is an approximate area of this non-standard figure. So now we come to the part M and part N. So part M and part N again require you to count the number of squares that are completely filled, almost filled, least filled, and almost like in between filled. Like some are more filled than half, some are less than half filled, and so on. And then you have to follow the same procedure and find the answer. So this will be your homework. Okay, and you can just tally the answer from the back, but these type of questions will not have any definite answer. Everyone is bound to get a different answer. Now, this concludes the part exercise 10.2, and in the next video we'll be starting exercise 10.3, which will include the standard figures, and we will be able to use certain formulas related to each and every closed figure and be able to understand how to calculate the area of the figures, closed figures, standard closed figures. So with this we come to an end, and for those who liked our lectures, do hit the subscribe button and like our videos. In case you have any suggestions, comment in the comment section or connect with us on any of our social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. And if you can share it with your friends, if you find it useful, keep making notes, keep revising, and keep practicing. Till the next time we meet, goodbye.